assessment asks us to predict why this reaction won't work very well when we use an acid chloride as a reagent. There are two ways we can think about the answer to this assessment. One is that acid chlorides are more reactive than the proton between the two carbonyls in a beta ketoester. So sodium ethoxide will preferentially react with the acid chloride to form an ethyl ester long before it ever reacts to form the enolate. Even if you could form the enolate and get to our tricarbonyl product, this tricarbonyl product is not stable and is reversible back towards our intermediates and starting materials. Sodium ethoxide can react with the ketone in our tricarbonyl product to kick out the enolate as the stabilized enolate as a leaving group. In fact, the stabilized enolate is a better leaving group than ethoxide is, and so this will preferentially happen to take us back to a stabilized enolate and this same ethyl ester. And this process is favorable toward the product, meaning that that this reaction is favorably reversible, and we will not be able to form our desired product in an appreciable yield. For these reasons, using acid chlorides in these types of situations is not an appropriate reagent to use.